My adoring fans, ladies and gentlemen,
I'm back.
welcome to TDN Tool Time. Hi, I'm Kev from TDN. Today we're going to be reviewing the sticky tab tape. No, sorry.
Sorry, I didn't catch what it was. What is it?
But I say everything's each to their own. We have the small. Oh. I don't like working with a monkey bar because the tool will tend to slip up and down. So this one is going to hang quite nicely in these three spaces. So that is the tool review of the Anson stirrup.
So can you just do these monkey bars now and tell everyone how much you love using monkey bars?
You know, to varying different heights. So yeah, that is the Dent. Hi, this is Kev from TDN. Today we're going to be reviewing the Edgy Tools hangers. These hangers are sorry, that's a mental blank then. Hi, this is Kev from TDN. Today we're going to be reviewing the ultra detachable and rotating handles on these. Sorry. So now all the wheels are back on. We're going to show the cart being put back together to its original state. So I'm just going to drop this over. No, we're not. Please visit www.tdntools.com, or why not subscribe to our YouTube channel to see reviews of latest tools.